How to fix PhoneExperienceHost.exe high CPU usage in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. In Task Manager, navigate to the Details tab. Find the PhoneExperienceHost.exe process in the list. Right-click on the PhoneExperienceHost.exe process. Choose End Task from the context menu to terminate the process.
Now your problem should be fixed.
If that didn't work, right-click Command Prompt and click on Run as Administration. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, type PowerShell in the search box. Right-click on Windows PowerShell in the search results and select Run as Administrator. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. This will uninstall the PhoneLink app from your device. Open the Microsoft Store. Search for the PhoneLink app and select it from the search results. Click on the Install button to reinstall the PhoneLink app. Wait for the installation to complete and then close the Microsoft Store.